Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Programming with Qais. Today's our topic is Entity Framework in ASP.NET MVC. We will do CRUD operations. That means we will insert, delete, update, select, search using Visual Studio 2022 using Bootstrap 5 ASP.NET MVC Entity Framework. We will use HTML5, CSS and JQuery. And our database will be MSSQL Server. So let's begin. Open your Visual Studio. Create a new project. Entity Framework is a database technology which is built based on ADO.NET that supports ORM. ORM means Object Relational Mapping Pattern. So search here web. We need to choose ASP.NET Web Application. Select this and click on Next. So friends, name it, and the project name is Entity Framework DB First Approach. Also, we need to choose the location. We have created a folder Entity Framework. Select this folder and click on Next or Create. This will be empty and the folder will be MVC. Okay. We are starting with empty project. Click on Create. It will create the project. So Entity Frameworks automatically creates one or more object for model class and loads the database table into the model objects at runtime. That is, one row of table equals to one object is created. Multiple rows of database table, multiple objects of class model will be created at the runtime. So this is the home screen. So our approach is Entity Framework Database First Approach. In this approach, we must have database in the beginning of the project, or first we create the database, then we create the project. So for database, please open your Microsoft SQL Server SSMS. Click on Open. Entity Framework is divided into three models: conceptual model, storage model, and mapping model. In conceptual models, all the models come. In storage model, database tables come. And in mapping, there will be a mapping between model and database table. So this is our SQL Server. Click on Connect. Okay. So we need to create database first for our project or for our practice. So friends, we have created some database tables and data for practice purpose. You will get the link in video description. I have created a blog for you where you will get the sample code of this project Entity Framework. The link is qais.blogspot.com. So open this link from your video description or from here, and I have created the sample code for you. This is our first step to create the database. You need to copy this command, create database. Copy this command, open your Microsoft SQL Server, click on New Query, paste here and execute. Command executed, your database has been created successfully here. Also come to the blog, click this command, execute. So we are using entity framework sample database. Also create the table, copy all the commands from here, branch table, department table and employee table. Copy all this stuff and paste over here. And click on execute. It will save a lot of time. Or if you want to make your own practice, then please create this. But the table must be same to hands on this project. So we have created three tables: branch, department and employee. In branch table we have branch ID as a primary key. In department table we have department ID as a primary key. In employee table we have employee ID, employee name, designation, contact, email, city, salary, joining date. And also we have used two foreign keys, that is department ID from department table and branch ID from branch table. These are the foreign keys which we are using in our employee table. So we have successfully executed this command. Refresh over here, expand the table. If you feel any problem or you feel or you counter any error, please message or comment in the video section. So these are expanding. Friend, here you will learn a lot of things. DB context class, DB set, and all the stuff in a very simple and easy way. So by expanding tables, we will clearly see our tables. This is the branch table, department table and employee table. While we will expand this using primary key of branch table, primary key in department table and primary key and two foreign key in employee table. These tables are empty. Three fields in branch table, two fields in department table, and this is the employee table. Other tables are empty. So come to my blog. This is our step 2. Insert sample data using below details. So copy all this stuff till here. Click on copy. Select new query. Paste here and execute. All the data has been filled. In the branch table we have the data now. In the department table we have the data, HR and software development. Also in the employee table we have the data. So this is the sample data. I have created for you. If you are new, don't worry. I will dictate, guide and train in a very simple and easy manner. We will learn entity framework from very scratch, from the beginning. So we have successfully completed our database work. We have created our database entity framework sample data, and we have created 3 tables, also inserted some sample data. So come to our project. Okay friends, this is our project which we have created in the beginning. This is the app start folder. Inside this root config.cs file where we have the method of register rules. We have controller and followed by action and followed by the ID. Controller and action method is compulsory, ID is optional. Close this. Also we have the folder in views. This is the view folder, this is the model, and this is the controller folder. So first create a new folder inside the view, add new folder, share. If you are very new for MVC, please go to my first videos which I have uploaded. Inside the shared folder, we need to add a layout page, MVC5 layout page, that is a razor page, layout page 1. Click on OK. So this is our layout page inside the shared folder. Also create a new controller. Right click on controller folder, click on add, click on controller. We need to choose MVC5 controller empty. Click on add. Rename this home controller. Controller must be placed in the name. This is the format. We will not remove this word controller from the name of the controller. It is mandatory. Okay, click on add. So we are making a series of entity framework. So all the videos are in series. All the videos length will be 15 minutes. Please don't worry. Follow next video after this video in a continuation manner. So we have created the home controller and the layout page. Inside the home controller we have an action result. Let's rename it home. Also add the view for this home action method. Right click here, click on add view, MVC5 view, add, use the layout page, select a layout page from here, shared, layout page 1, click on add. So this is our home view. Let's view in browser. We have here home controller and home action method. So there is nothing in this. So we will only see the title over here. So only title is coming, home controller home. Next we will Bootstrap in our project. So we will insert all the files of Bootstrap. So let's add Bootstrap in our next video. Please we continue.